think that was about as good as it's gonna get.
Oh my God, it's on fire! Oh my God! What just happened? Why did it like blow up?
Huh?
Why did it blow up?
It's just the car flooded.